Yeah, move over, Starbucks. I can finally make the strawberry açaí with lemonade refresher. We're gonna start with ice and as much frozen dry strawberries as you like. 2 tablespoons of strawberry syrup and 4 cups of Minute Maid strawberry lemonade. Make sure you have a good amount of ice because it makes all the difference. You're gonna mix everything together. Enjoy and don't forget to follow.
So one of the ways I'm trying to cut back on expenses is by making Starbucks at home. And not all the time though, y'all. We are compromising. We're just cutting back, a little bit. Because if you guys may or may not know, I am on a challenge to level up before 2024 because I'm not about to let these last 2 months go to waste. And I'm trying to redeem 2023 because it was a little bit of trash. But that's okay. Because by the end of 2023, the coins will be coining and all will be right.
This hot cocoa tastes just like Starbucks at a fraction of the price with just 3 ingredients. So let me show y'all how to make it real fast. I take Hershey's cocoa powder, about a heaping tablespoon and a half of cocoa. And then I put my sugar, about 3 heaping tablespoons of sugar. Then over low to medium heat, I'm going to add a splash of milk. Just a splash for now, until those 2 items, when they get heated up, they start to mix together and all that granulation comes out of the sugar. Perfect. Now you can add the rest of your milk, about 12 to 16 ounces, depending on how much you want to make. Then stir until it's a perfect temperature, just how you like it. And then you can ladle that into your favorite mug and drink it. It is absolutely delicious. So simple and easy. If you don't have the packages of hot chocolate, which have a lot of extra ingredients that are unnecessary in my opinion, this is an easy way to make your kids happy, make yourself happy. Enjoy.